and you join us at Knott's Berry Hotel. We are room 521. We will put the details of the room below here in the description. But this is room 521. Eventually this door will open.
I couldn't hear you.
Anyway, which way should we start, Dan? Should we start on the left?
Go that way.
Okay. Oh, seems fairly dark in here. Let's remedy that, shall we?
Shut the door first.
Ah, so that's a nice dimmer. So it starts bright, and the same with this. Starts bright, and then you can dim down. But we particularly like that. Right, would you like to show the bits that you want to take?
Yes. I've not smelled it yet. I just went, I'll take it. Oh my god. If they sell this.
Right, hang on. Well, that's nice.
It's boysenberry and vanilla. And that's what Knott is famous for, is the boysenberry.
Well,
my god, that's good.
So as you can see down there, some makeup remover pads, also some soap, and good charging points here as well. Bathroom, there is a lovely picture of a tractor for you to admire whilst you are lightening the load. Towels, which all look and feel very nice. And you know what I noticed about these towels, Dan?
They're clean.
There's no marks on them.
And there's lots of them.
There is. But in here, and one of the things I've already smelt and really like the look of is the Knott's Hotel shampoo, which is boysenberry and vanilla. So it's exactly the same smell as the home lotion that we've just seen. Bathtub is relatively big. Shower head, we shall see how that performs and let you know tomorrow. But I really like the design of the bathroom. Very, very nice. Right, Mrs. Savage, over to you for the rest of the room tour.
This is going to go one of two ways. You've got a big storage thing, cupboard. Here you've got ironing board.
That is a good iron.
I assume that's a hairdryer.
It is.
Then you've got your safe, standard safe. If you've ever been to any of the Disney moderate resorts, it's exactly the same as those. Laundry request. We do have a connecting room, which I have heard a little bit of noise coming from here, but not too bad. A mirror with hooks. You're right over there, making noise. A mirror with hooks, which, small things in life, but hello. I appreciate this.
I just think that's a good idea, because if you're visiting and it's hammering it down and you've got to punch your raincoat,
Yeah.
great place to hang stuff.
2 beds with lights above. And what I appreciate, the switch. Yeah, I appreciate that. And the beds are very, very big. TV is massive. And there's lights either side of that as well. You got your Keurig, which I will be using shortly. Got another drawer here. What's in here? Storage. Ooh, ghost. Got your fridge, which is pretty decent size. Quite new as well by the look of it. And I note that this one is clean. Are you alright there, faffing?
I was trying to see what TV channels are on.
Then you've got a clock with wireless charging on top. USB-Cs. Did you notice that?
Yes, I did.
Clocks with USB-Cs. There's also USB plugs down here. There they are. And you've got a normal A and a C. Phone. So plugs this side, yeah. Plugs that side too. I don't know if you can see them. How do you press off?
Like that. That was weird.
That was weird. Ghosts. Then you got the other bed. We think we're probably...
That's what's happened. You hit the button.
I didn't touch it.
Ooh.
That was really weird. I literally didn't touch it. This is the bed we're going to be sleeping in because it's furthest from the door. Got your little aircon unit. Little sofa. I don't think this is a sofa bed. I think it's just for sofa purposes. And another big lamp here. Although I don't quite know. Oh yeah, there's the switch. Very clever that these are quite hidden. But that generates a nice bit of light. Some fancy Knott's decor. Obviously it's all meant to be quite rustic. So this is some of the park stuff, the logo. We are not facing the main theme park. So this, using my finger, there we go, this tower here is the entrance to the water park. I think, don't quote me on that. And then you can just see these peaks here are the wooden coaster. The theme park is technically sort of in this direction. So we can hear a few people screaming. But there's a little courtyard area down here. And that there is the lobby, which is very nice. There are worse views, and you can do something to this window where you can let in a bit of...
You unscrew it like that, press a button, and very carefully slide.
Sorry for anyone that's watching with headphones in.
And then there is literally ventilation for my hand to fit out of, but no more.
But it's cold all of a sudden, so... And then screw it back in and good to go. So that is our room. That's it. It's much nicer.
And I can tell you now, without having to swing Bernie around, although I'm sure he would love to, there is enough room in here to swing a cat.
Multiple, probably. I mean, we could have a bed of cats. Bing.
Other than that, beds.
Beautiful bed.
These things, yeah, phenomenally comfortable. Very comfortable. Great night's sleep. Didn't wake once.
I did a couple of times, but only because, like, not because of anything else. I just naturally woke up. But then went straight back to sleep.
Yeah. The shower.
Good shower.
Great shower.
I stood under it for so long last night. Just like, rain on me.
The pressure's really good. The shampoo, conditioner, and body wash all smell fantastic.
I wash my whole body with their shampoo. It's so nice.
No, really, really nice. In terms of anything else, the only other gripe I've got TV. There's no TV guide for the lower half of the channels. There is a TV guide for the upper half of the channels, just not for the lower half of the channels. That was outside.
No, it wasn't. It
Oh, okay. Other than that, no real complaints about anything.
No.
I'll be dreaming about this till the end.